Welcome to this short tour of programming Suno, the bracket method, a practical, creator-friendly guide to taking control of AI-generated music. Think of this as a walk through the big ideas rather than a technical lesson. Pause whenever you want, explore the visuals, and just let the concepts sink in. We begin with the problem nearly everyone hits when experimenting with Suno, what the guide calls the wall of sound. Your ideas might be strong, maybe the verse works, maybe the melody lands, but the track collapses somewhere along the way. It gets repetitive or chaotic or simply refuses to build. Without structure, you're really a passenger in your own creative process. The bracket method steps in as a kind of translator. On the next pages, you'll see the core principle: speak the AI's native language. Suno listens best when you give it explicit signals in square brackets. These aren't decorations, they're instructions. Think of them as the conductor's cues in a musical score. Instead of hoping the AI picks up your intention, you hand it a blueprint. From there, the guide introduces what it calls Level 1, the architectural tags. These are the structural pillars of a song: intro, verse, chorus, bridge, outro. If you only ever use these, you've already solved half the unpredictability problem. You're giving Suno a map with clear road signs. Start here, build here, release here. It prevents the aimless jamming that often derails a track. Next, Level 2, directing the instruments and the energy. Once the form is locked in, you can shape the performance itself. Tags like guitar solo, buildup, drop, 808, sub-bass, spoken word. These tell the model not just what section it's in, but how that section should behave. This is where you start feeling like you're sculpting the music rather than generating it at random. Then comes Level 3, the artistry of precision. This is where the method gets surprisingly elegant. You can stack tags to build nuance, use punctuation to control pacing, even ellipses to create breath or tension, and experiment with parentheses to hint at backing vocals or ad-libs. These tiny tools give the AI instructions with the same fine brushstrokes you'd use when coaching a human performer. A few slides later, the guide shows the method applied to a real song, Wild Mountain Thyme. First, you see the raw lyrics, simple, unassuming. Then you see them transformed with structured markup. Suddenly there's mood, instrumentation, dynamics, emotional progression. You can watch the song evolve from a sketch into a fully arranged score just by adding bracketed cues. It's a striking before and after moment. The document closes with best practices. Don't overprompt. Keep your tags consistent with your main style prompt. Iterate deliberately using extend and remix. And then a final reminder: you are the conductor. With the bracket method, you shift from hoping the model gives you something good to programming the musical experience itself. It's creative direction, not creative gambling. Thank you for taking this quick tour. Feel free to pause, replay, or dive deeper into any section as you build your own Suno compositions. The more you experiment, the more fluent you'll become in this new musical language.
Summertime is coming, and the trees are sweetly blooming, and the wild mountain thyme grows around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie? Will you go? Will you go? And we'll all go together to pull wild mountain thyme all around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie? surely find another to pull wild mountain thyme.